Alright, let's face it, hot dogs are boring. And I'm no artisan, but I can be a bit creative. So when my kids were getting tired of hot dogs, we had to figure out a new way to do it. So we came up with 3 ideas for these hot dogs. The first one is pigtails. And when you tell your kids you're having pigtails for lunch, you get a whole nother look from them than hot dogs. The first one is the pigtail. So as I split this hot dog, what's going to happen is it's going to tend to bow out like that when I go to cook it. Alright? And then if I split it again, you're going to get what I call pigtails. Alright? So each one of these is going to kind of curl up when we cook it. I need to do this fast. I don't have a bunch of time, right? And so I just throw them in the microwave like this. And you got to kind of separate them on the plate when you throw it on the microwave so that they have room to curl. If they're all on top of each other, they won't curl. They're a little bit crispier, so if the kids like it more crispy rather than boiled. The next one is Hot Dog Man. So Hot Dog Man is really cool. He's got superpowers. So when you eat him, you're going to make great choices all day long. So that's why we like Hot Dog Man. So we're just going to split him like this, right down the middle, separating his 2 legs, and then we're going to carve out 2 arms coming off the side, and voila, you have a Hot Dog Man. And this Hot Dog Man, I'm telling you, there's nothing that can't stop this guy. He is the coolest hot dog man you've ever seen. Then the last one is my hot dog octopus. And my hot dog octopus, he's really cool because what we're going to do is we're going to call all the sharks to come eat some octopuses because it's the favorite food of sharks. And I don't know about you, but I got 3 little sharks living at home that just love to eat octopus, hot dog octopuses. Now for the octopus, what we're going to do is we're going to leave a little bit for the head, so right about there. And then we're going to cut the rest of it into 1/8. That looks good. Doesn't look like a lot here, but it's going to be cool. You know, again, it depends on how much time you got and what you're running off to, because I know it's crazy today. So the octopus is really the one I wanted to check out. That's kind of cool seeing that on the plate. So we got the little pigtails, the larger pigtails, the octopus, and Hot Dog Man.